शुरू किया था गुजरात में पायलट प्रोजेक्ट, अब उसको पूरे देश भर के अलग अलग राज्यों में शुरू किया जाएगा ताकि इनको और लाभ मिल सके। आपको याद होगा कुछ दिन पहले जब हमने घोषणा की थी तो सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के लिए भी 10 लाख से बढ़ाकर 20 लाख रुपए उसकी लिमिट कर दी थी, तो इससे भी उनकी कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग में मदद मिलेगी।
There's definitely a lot of concern and a legitimate concern about migrant workers now going back to their respective states, and will they be there without any opportunities to earn their livelihood? So I would like to draw your attention to say that you know that we had announced the increase in the average wage rate from 182 to 202 rupees. I had made an announcement once earlier. Now the question of these people returning to their states, will they stay without any provisioning? We have already generated 14.62 crore man days or person days of work generated up to 13th May, which is actually 40 to 50% more persons who have got enrolled compared to last May. So when there was no COVID, what was the number? It is at least 30 to 40%, 40 to 50% more than what it was before. We have enrolled all of them. We are making provision through the Rural Development Ministry to ensure that they get enrolled, they get work, they get the due payments. So work offered is now to 2.33 crore wage seekers. I think the data is of yesterday, in about 1.87 lakh gram panchayats. So the migrant workers who are going back, and if in case they are joining the Manrega, there are being actively enrolled and provision through the respective ministries being done, and they are being taken. We've ensured that they're going to be entertained even there. They're not going to be sitting for wanting of some basic work. States and union territories have been advised to provide work to these migrant workers as per the provisions of this Manrega Act. So we are continuing to monitor, and the work during the monsoon will also be actively taken up, whether for plantation, whether for horticulture, whether for livestock related sheds, related building, vagera. So on all of them, these workers who go from here are going to be actively engaged. So I just want that to be made sure. The annual actual expenditure till date is around 10,000 crore. Now, even if it's more, we are making provisioning for that.
जो हमारे प्रवासी मजदूर वापस अपने राज्यों में गए हैं, उनकी भी मदद एमजी नरेगा के माध्यम से कैसे की जाए, उसके लिए भी हम योजना लेकर आए हैं। और अब तक 14 करोड़ 62 लाख पर्सन डेज जनरेट किए जा चुके हैं 13 मई तक, और इस पर कुल खर्चा लगभग 10,000 करोड़ के लगभग किया जा चुका है। जो काम ऑफर किया गया है वो 2.33 करोड़ जो काम मांगने वाले हैं उनको कल तक किया गया, और ये लगभग 1,87,000 ग्राम पंचायतों में किया गया है। इसमें 40 से 50% लोगों ने अपनी इनरोलमेंट की है, रजिस्ट्रेशन की है। पिछले साल के मुकाबले, पिछले साल के मई महीने के मुकाबले ज़्यादा लोगों ने की है। यानी कि अगर पिछले साल 100 ने की थी तो इस बार 140 से 150